beautiful visuals, though. Wonder if they had a stake. That's our next destination. Oh, nice texture pop in there. Don't know if I have to solve a puzzle or what. This might be. This would have been. Truthfully, this would have been better for the end of the stream. To wind down on. And have nightmares too, but I didn't consider. I was like, oh well, if I do this after, it'll be great because it'll be a complete like system shock. Little did I know. Lighthouse is activated at least. Spilled me beans. Alright, now this here is a bean-powered lighthouse. Welcome. Only the finest beans with which to power this lighthouse.
How did they manage to let him die in here? What made them forsake their civiled ways?
Cthulhu Fathagan. The statue has a very malevolent aura. I know taking this with me was a grave mistake. Nevertheless, I believe this artifact is connected to the mysterious island. I've never seen anything similar. I do not understand what it represents. To me, it's just an abstract piece of art. It's a page with some kind of insight about the object. After explaining how it was retrieved, the author went on a rather morbid tangent. It's this one Jelly Man, isn't it? I knew it. Vinny, your character is dressed like Peter. Not really. Doesn't Peter wear green pants? Let me through. You mean I can't just walk around this? On one hand, I wish I could move a little faster, but I kind of know why it wouldn't work. You go too fast in a game like this, you might not have time to think about rocks. And the beans that you're about to spill.